Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the concept of zero elimination in SAP BW. If I start with an example, that will be good for everyone to understand. Suppose I have a characteristics called material and also I have key figure value called amount, and this suppose M1 and suppose I have M2, M3. I have three materials and I have amount figure suppose 10, 20 and 30. Suppose this is your transactional data and suppose and it comes in one particular request, and in the next update or in the next transaction or in the next load, suppose this same key, and here material is the key, suppose material is the key, and for this same material you have a next update like -10, M1 with -10. So in this case, when you activate the data, so what happens? This M1 is 10, here -10, so it will be 0. I will remove this line. So you can see that one material, this M1 becomes 0. And suppose your requirement such a way that you don't need 0 figures in your ADSO or in the reporting. So you have an option to remove the 0 figures in the reporting as well, but if you want to remove in the base, in the ADSO level, and this is the ADSO data that I'm talking about. So what you can do in the ADSO, you have an option to, while updating, you have an option called zero elimination. In this way, this particular row, this M1, will be removed, so that whatever data present into the ADSO all will have the figures, the amount values. So all the values with 0 will be removed. In this way, your ADSO will have concrete data and it will be better for reporting purpose, and also if any technical purpose, if someone wants to see the data uh, into the ADSO, it will be good. And it is mostly used in the case of planning purposes. Suppose one particular site or company code constantly updates, so that if there's any they have a chance that some materials or some site will have 0 amount or 0 key figures. So those things, those 0 values, you can remove it using this option, 0 elimination. So that's all about this tutorial. I hope you have understood it well. Please comment below what you liked about this, and also please comment below what you know more about the SAP HANA, SAP BW, and thank you for watching.